Meet the Ytonet garment duffel bag, your travel buddy with style and space. Fits 2 to 3 days of essentials: clothes, shoes, toiletries, cosmetics, even an umbrella. Wrinkle-free magic. Lay it flat for a hanging garment bag. Goodbye crumpled suits. Separate shoe pouch keeps your kicks away from your clean clothes. Genius, right? Durable PU leather, waterproof, scratch-resistant, and tear-proof. Fashion meets function. Non-slip zippers? No awkward bag explosions mid-trip. Your belongings stay secure. Convertible design, handbag, shoulder bag, or crossbody. It's like a bag chameleon. Adjustable shoulder strap ensures comfort during long trips. No sore shoulders here. Spacious yet foldable. Packs big, but stores small. Travel light without sacrificing essentials. Stylish pink design screams elegance. Perfect for modern women on the go. Great gift idea for moms, jet setters, or anyone who loves wrinkle-free travel. Ytonet garment duffel bag, where practicality meets chic. Travel smarter, not harder. I once packed for a weekend trip and my dress looked like origami. My shoes? They mingled with my toiletries, minty fresh sneakers anyway. Then, I arrived at a wedding looking like I fought a tumble dryer. Enter the hero. A pink bag that folds, hangs, and conquers wrinkles. It fits 2 to 3 days of essentials and keeps dresses drama-free, wrinkle-free. Separate shoe pouch? No more toothpaste-scented heels or rogue socks in your bag. Waterproof PU leather means rain won't ruin your style or your packing game. Adjustable straps let you go handbag, shoulder bag, or crossbody. Your call. Multiple compartments keep your passport safe, your clothes clean, and you organized. Unfold it, hang it, and voila. Your dress is ready for its red carpet moment, stylish, spacious, and pink. It's the Ytonet garment duffel bag for travel pros. Finally, no more suitcase chaos. Just wrinkle-free elegance wherever you go. Customer reviews, 4.3 out of 5 stars. No one, I love this bag. I was able to pack everything in the one bag.